I follow more, you hold me from my back. I be your baby, oh. On my case, you are on my case. You know they follow me, go my way. On my case, you are on my case. Ay, 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 ay.
On my case, Lord, you are on my case. Change your ways, you remain the same. On my case, Lord, you are on my case. Change your ways,
Case, oh Lord, you there on my case. You never leave me lonely. Every time I call your name, you dey answer me. So I trust your ways. You are full of grace. Mighty are your ways.
For me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side. So me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side. On my case, Lord, you are on my case. Change your ways,
You remain the same.
on my case, Lord, you are on my case. Change your ways, you remain the same.
Ay, 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 ay. You never change on my case. Ay, 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 ay. You always stay on my case. Lord, you never change. One time, let's go, yeah.
Now the way you look after me. On my case, you never ever leave me lonely. Every single day, you keep guiding me, showing me the way. Now the way you look after me.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing DJ Afraid and my homeboy, Limo.
Say you rescue the boy. Say you love you to pump on the boy. And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy. Say you rescue the boy. Say you love you to pump on the boy. And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy.
Your type of love, you the shock person. If not, what I go drum person, oh yeah. It is so good and it's so real and it's so free, yeah. Your type of love, you the shock person. If not, what I go drum person, oh yeah. It is so good and it's so real and it's for free, yeah. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, so your love, it was brand new. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, it's your love, it was brand new. Forgive my shortcomings, you know I hate these shortcomings, oh. I don't know why I do things I hate, oh. Forgive my shortcomings, you know I hate these shortcomings, oh. Cause the things I wanna do, I don't do them. I'm a mess, I don't know why you love me. I break your heart, but see the way that you love me. I know, no, it's not undo way you love me. So I break your heart, but see the way that you love me. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, so your love, it was brand new. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, it's your love, it was brand new. So I said, do, okay, do. I thank you and I bless you for your love, So I said, do, okay, do. I thank you and I bless you for your love, oh.
Say you rescue the boy.
So you rescue
Say you love you to pump on the boy.
and you bump her,
And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy.
oh, no.
Say you rescue the boy.
And you
Say
rescue,
you love you to pump on the boy.
yes, you bump her.
And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy.
I'm a mess, I don't know why you love me. I break your heart, but see the way that you love me. I know, no, it's not undo way you love me. So I break your heart, but see the way that you love me. miss your love, be the bus brand new. So I said, again, I thank you and I bless you for your love. So I said, again, I thank you and I bless you for your love. Operate.
Yes, sir. You already know. Worldwide. DJ Alpha and Limo Blaze. It's that Jesus music. God loves you. Never forget that.
Mix Wonders Magic.
People running around, searching for high ground, hustling around town to turn their lives around, fighting a losing battle, living in pain and struggle, getting caught up in hurdles and puddles. But my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and my Maker. Everything that I need, He gave me everything on a platter. Yeah, my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and Creator. You are all that I need and you are everything in between. Oh, you are all that I require. Omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother. Always on my mind, I never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Oh, you are all that I require. Omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother. Always on my mind, I never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. All that I require, all that I require, and all of my desires. Anything I need or want, I know I can come to you in prayer. I know you will answer, Father like no other. Some trust in horses and chariots, but not them, no. Cause my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and my Maker. Everything that I need, He gave me everything on a platter. Yeah, my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and Creator. You are all that I need and you are everything in between. Oh, you are all that I require. Omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother. Always on my mind, I never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Oh, you are all that I require. Omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother. Always on my mind, I never sleep, you never slumber.
Yo, chat, what's up? What's up? Good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning, chat. Good morning, gang. Drop some energies in the chat. What's up, Philip? What's up, Same? What's up, Ate Chat? Good morning, guys. Let's see who's here. Drop the energies in the chat, gang. Let's go.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters than brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like Gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad. They really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him, the push would still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swing through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different
What's up,
emotions.
chat? What's up? How you
And I
guys
just remember
doing?
a
What's up? Good
conversation I
morning,
had with
Jagna.
him.
How
He
you
was going
doing?
for 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a
Good
Mustard Seed.
morning.
And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it.
Good morning,
but I knew it was
everybody.
something out the Bible.
How's everybody doing? Shout out to 13 viewers right now. How's everybody doing? Damn, gold is still bullish. Gold's still pushing. Holy smokes. Goldie, goldie. All right, chat. Let me do the top down here. Let me do the top down. Let's start with the daily time frame. So the daily is still bullish. Feeling blessed. Yeah, the same feeling, bro. Blessed and highly favored, man. Okay, chat. So the support is down here. Okay, I'd say down here. This is the support, and we have rallying towards to the upside, the 4,230 area right now. We move almost 500 pip, I believe. Yeah, almost, 420, 450 pips move on the daily time frame. So if we're gonna drop to the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, the same move. It's all about rallying towards the up. We have some retracement here on price yesterday, or this is Wednesday, Tuesday. So we have support level resistance, candle closing above the range. This zone, this zone is respected already. This resistance on the left hand side, it retests that 4,180 area, retests as you can see, right? Retest this area and then continue popping up again, right? That's how you analyze break and retest on the candles. That's the 4. Let's see on the 1. Yeah, the 1 we're creating. We have consolidating here on price resistance, another breakout. But as you can see here, the candles are getting small, right? And then we have closure, right? Bullish with a small body, right? And then the next early candle, as you can see, no bottom wick, continue pushing up, right? This one, no bottom wick, continue pushing up. We have, I'd say, a resistance, right? This the resistance. We have support down here. The overall range is this in the 1 hour time frame. We have 360 pip range. If we're gonna drop down to the 30, it's the same. 15 is the same, but we have clean range going down, clean range going up. I'd say once we close above 50 pip, and this one say 100 pip. So we have resistance now. Resistance has been formed on the 15 minutes time frame. All right, this one. Resistance. Okay. Right. And then probably support is down here. This is overall range on the 15 minutes time frame. Right now, I'm going to use the 15. And once we close below 4218, there is a clean range too, 120 pip. But this one is really good, to take trades on this range. But let's see how this candle close. We don't have any top wick on the open of the candle. We should make the top wick, We should re-break the highs there if this candle wanna push down. Right, that's gonna be the idea. Right, so yeah, let's see what will happen here.
Human living continues.
Let's see. $12 minutes for candle to close. So yeah, let's wait here. Let's wait. Andre, what's up? How you doing, Andre? Shout out to 18 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Make sure you drop some likes and subs to the channel. Alrighty. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. 1 hour, no bottom wick. The 4 hours about to flip bullish again after that bottom wick on the previous 4-hour candle. If this 4-hour flip, man, it's gonna look like this and pushing on new all-time high again. Gold is golding today, always. Now in this month, just close your eyes and then buy gold. When you see that dip, when you see that push down after support form, just buy gold. Goldilocks, yeah, true that. Goldilocks. Hey. So the weekly 1 day and 14 hours left, still bullish. We might see bullish closure again. Then look at this candle. This week candle is the big candles, as you can see. All of these candles, right? If you're gonna measure that, this is the candle that big with the volume. Damn. 8 minutes for candle to close. 8 minutes. 30 minutes gonna close bearish. 15. If this 15 close like this, man, you're gonna take the impulse trade here. Oh. Impulse sales to move down. Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream, subs to the channel. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat. Seven minutes for candle to close. Alex K, how you doing? Damn, we're moving down. The 30 has no top wick. The 30 has no top wick. And we have minor levels on the 30 that we need to be aware of. But the 15 is really clean. 30, there is a high chance that we can react on this level. Minimum here. Who got some buys this morning, chat? Who got some buys this morning? We're buying gold. Who's buying gold this morning, chat? Man, gold moves 400, I'd say 420 pips this morning already on the Asian session. So if you got that, man, W. Got some buys. Wow, W Sing. Good job. W. Doop, 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 doop. 3 minutes and 30 seconds here. All right. Excuse me. Reactions on the 1 hour here. That was nice. Reactions. Alright. Masarap talaga yan, boss. Nilagang baka gang in the cold weather. Let's go. "30 minutes is about to close." Man. Coldy. So in this 30 minutes candle chat, so what I'm gonna do here is probably the next 30 minutes open here. If this 30 minutes open, right, top this area, I'm not gonna take sell on this 4233. Okay, I need to top this, and then once the candle starting to react on this 4233 and then start to flip, that's gonna be the entry. You know, so it's probably gonna look like this, right? Entry on the flip. Or just re-break of this 15. Re-break the highs and starting to flip. Yeah, that's probably good. Is the 4 hours still open? So yeah, let's see. Sabaw, yeah. When, bro? When you gonna cook, bro? When you gonna cook? 27 seconds. Shout out to 25 viewers. How you guys doing? Make sure you like the stream. Can I see 20 likes in the stream chat? 20 likes in the stream. Oh, 15 minutes open and 15 minutes candle close. Bullish. Damn. Hardly open. Yeah, can you top this? So because it's gonna be, the idea here is the top wick on the previous 30 needs to grab here and then push down. Mm, If this 30 didn't top here, we need closure below this. We need closure below here. So yeah. All right, that's the top wick. I'm gonna put sell stop on the re-break of the lows there. All right, sell stop for me. Let's see if we can re-break that. Sell stop. Okay, not execution. Sell now. Sell stop. Sell stop. Sell stop. Do. Damn, the stop's gone big. We pushed through, but let's see if we're gonna have some reactions here. Otherwise, we're gonna wait for candle to close below now. But yeah, I have my sell stop. Sell stop there, chat. And the re-break of the candle low. Let's see. 15 minutes impulse buy. Yeah, I mean you can take impulse buy here, but for me, I'm not gonna take impulse buy. So yeah, the idea here is the top wick on the previous 30 overall bullish bias too. Yeah, I mean yeah, you can do that. You can do that. You can take buys. Yeah, broke the high of the previous candle. Yep. Yeah, that was true. You know, you can take buys. But for me, no, I'm not gonna take buys yet. Okay, I'm not gonna take buys yet. Because the 30 close bearish, as you can see. Close week bearish, yep. It's a sell stop, not execution sell. Sell stop. So I'm not in the trade yet. I need to see if this candle gonna re-break, and I might delete the sell stop in a few minutes here. Oh, you took buys? Wow. Yeah, nice. No, there's too many buyers. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Let's see if we're gonna, push up here. But I like the buys too, man. I like the buys too. But I want to take buy on the lows here, not on the top. Because you're buying on the top, right? At the top here. So for me, it's no. It's no, no. Right? We about to be activated here, gang. Let's see. We about to be activated. Let's see if we're gonna be activated. So I told you guys the idea, right? The idea is the top wick on the 30 previous 30 top wick here. This is the previous 30 top wick. You push up, right? It's gonna look like this. Sure, you break that. Otherwise, we're gonna wait for the candle to close below in 7 minutes. Let's see. Do you have bookmap or I don't have. I'm not using the bookmap or heat map. I'm using just candles and price actions. I never use bookmap and yeah, the one that you called. I'm not using that. Don't use, but just yeah, some of that it's probably it's working, but I don't really use that. I only use Forex Factory, news, and the price actions. You guys can use that too if you want, but I believe there is subscriptions on that. But for me, I'm okay with using the candles, price actions, and yeah, that's it. Mhm. Where you guys took the buys on the rebreak of the previous candle high here? This one, 424233. Yes, it costs to get those, and sometimes you have to level trader whatever that meant. Yeah, I mean, it depends. It depends on how you. It depends on the trader. If you guys gonna, it's all about resources, right? That's another resources, right? That you it's a tool that gonna help you to grow in trading. It's a resources. So if you guys need that order book or whatever is that, if you guys need that, yeah, you can use that. It's another tool. How to be level 2 on some brokers. Oh, I don't know that. I don't know that. 5 minutes for candle to close. I probably gonna delete the sell stuff for now. We might I wanna see that right now close below the range here. That would be nice. Once this candle close below the range, yeah. We might take that sell going down. So no sell stop. I am gonna delete the sell stop. 5 minutes for candle to close. Close below the range is good. I'd say. on the 15. Otherwise, it will push up here. If this candle push up, this is not my business. I'm not gonna have a FOMO, no business for me to buy here on the resistance at the top. So right now I need to wait for candle to close below. That's the idea. Chat, can I see 20 likes in the stream here? Like the stream, gang. And subscribe to the channel too. If you wanna follow me on Instagram, yeah, hit link is in description below. Oh, no Benoski, chat. No Benoski yet. No Benoskis. All right, we might close above here. You have 41 pip, 40 pips advantage. 40 pips. In this case, gang, you need volume here to push up. You need volume. You need to see volume. For our flip bullish, yeah, for our flip bullish. But in this case, this 4-hour can flip bearish again after the 4-hour flip bullish. This 4-hour has time of 46 minutes, right? This 4-hour, in this 46 minutes, there is high chance that we can rip up down here. Rip down. So yeah. As long as the candle is still open and running, right? This candle can move down heavy. Remember that. Okay, don't be confused when the 4-hour flip bullish, when the early close bullish. You still have the 4-hour time frame here, gang. And the 4 hours time is still bearish and still open and running. Right? We need closure right now. Close below the range. We need that. And there is a high chance that we can move like this, chat. On the next 15. I'm now on sell. Wow. After you got the buys, now you're on sell, man. Holy. Very high chance going down. Yeah, very high chance going down. Very high chance. See. Tama. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, I removed the sell stop. No sell stop for me. I need closure below now. I need candle to close below. To move down, that's gonna be the idea. Sell stop on the rebreak of the low. Nah. We close, yeah, but the candle is about to close. That's why I remove the sell stop. I delete. There's no chance to move down right now. We might take time hovering here on price. Hover. Hovering on price. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 30 looks good. 30 looks good, yeah. But you need close above to take buys here. And you have range 40, 37 pip range. So you need to trust the volume. Otherwise, man, no for me. On the 15, the candles are getting small, as you can see. So, yeah. Let's see here. We need to wait for candle to close below for sales. That's going to be the idea. Shout out to 27 viewers right now. Gang, make sure you like the stream. Can I see 20 likes in the stream here? And if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Mm-hmm. One candle close below. Man, we gonna see this kind of move. do, 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 do. Mm-hmm. Good day. Question. What does impulse entry means? Impulse entry means we, for example, I'd say this, we have some kind of, bearish and candle close probably like this, right? Impulse entry means you don't need to wait for the candle to close to take an entry. So once the price is moving down here and then re-breaking the previous candle low, this one, that's your chance to take a trades on the re-break of the low, and then you're gonna anticipate that this candle gonna move down heavy. So selling on the re-break of the low. That's the idea of impulse entry, right? And yeah, and there is impulse. That's the impulse entry. And if we are taking some onions, so the idea here is you need to wait for the re-break, like this, right? Re-break of the high of the candle, and then taking sell probably on the flip, because we need to wait for the top wick. So the top wick, it's gonna be um green candle, right? Creating a top wick, it's gonna be green candle, and then once it flip, it's gonna be a red candle, right? Like this. So that's the entry on the flip or in the re-break of the low. Understanding the entry, where you're gonna enter to the market, where you're gonna put the stops, it's gonna look like this. Stop should be on the high of the candle, right? Like this. Or you can put your stop on the current candle high, right? So yeah. And when we have price, let's say we're creating some market structure like this and move down, and then right now we're ranging on price. Once you top the resistance again here, once you top the resistance, this gonna be a sell for me, right? Because we're ranging. I'm gonna take sell here as a weak entry. It's called weak entry. Weak entry sells. Stop loss should be on the wick on the high. And then yeah, like this. Yep. That's my entry. So I have here, as you can see on my journal, I have the code setup, the setup type, onion, breakout, impulse, right? Like there. Why we still have pineapple? So I'm gonna delete this. Yep. So, and then the entry here, I have wick entry, flip up the candle, breaking current candle high or low, previews, or open up the candle. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entry type. And yep, it seems that London session is going to be a range. Yeah, sometimes it's going to be a range. Yeah, but still, we still have time, let's see. High risk trade, all of, there's no high risk, there's no, it depends on you. My setup is, it's that's called playbook. All right, bro, if you're showing every single day on the live stream, it's more than, I'd say, 9 months now, or 10 months, right? All of the setup taken in the live. So I'd say it depends on if you gonna put the high risk. It depends how you gonna take the risk, you know in the setup. For example, I see 30, 40, 55 pip stop, 50 above pip stop. So that means you need to lower your risk there, because your stop is quite big, right? So you need to understand the stop loss to where you're gonna put the stop. You're gonna put 50 pips, 60 pips. So yeah. high understand the high risk. The risk, okay? It's all about risk. Understanding the risk. There is a low risk. If I say low risk, so you should low your risk. If I say mid risk, you put it's all about my lot size is all about um small, medium, large. Small, then medium, then large. This is my lot sizing. I can use a small lot. That's the small risk. I can use the medium with that's mid risk, and I can use the large. That is the high risk. Maybe you misinterpret that the high risk means high, high risk. No, it's all about risk. You understand the risk. All right, makes sense. Noted, no problem. Well, you're welcome, bro. Because you might understand the high risk means it's a risky trade, right? Maybe you misinterpret that. The high risk means risky trade. No, it's all risk. You understand the risk. Small, medium, large. Small, medium, small risk, mid risk, and high risk is gonna be the high lot size you're gonna put into trade. So yeah. Damn, no closure. No closure. Candles don't want to push down. We stuck in a range. I don't like this kind of wicks at the top, wicks at the bottom, man. Only because in this case, there is a high chance that we can pops down heavy, boom, like this, or we can pops up. 1 minute for candle to close. Can we close below? Yeah, grabbing liquidity top and bottom. Now it's if there is a closure below, man. If this candle close below, this gonna be a nice trade, nice setup to move down. Don't feel pressure. This is how man I'm just chilling here. I'm just chilling here. No, you don't need to be pressured. This is how I do every single day, man. This is how we do. This is how we do every day. You don't need to be pressured. Because right now I'd say mm, if you guys are having, different strategy, yeah, you might confuse yourself if you're gonna hop onto my strategy. We are re-breaking the lows. Oh, chat. Once you re-break this on the 30, remember we're gonna put the stops here. Um, the stop should be up here. 30, 40 pip stops. Once you re-break this, say 30 minutes time frame. Yeah. So once you re-break that 30, man, there's no top wick on the on the broker, on my broker. Let's see if you're gonna re-break that. No top wick on the broker. Once you re-break that one more time, the high, yeah, we might put the sell stop. Can you re-break now? Boom, 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 boom. Re-break. All right. Now I'm gonna put the sell stop chat on the re-break of the low. This should be fine. Once you re-break that, you will see melt. You're gonna see melt. We're gonna see melt. Let's see if we're gonna be activated here. Can we push through now? Sell stop. Yeah, once you re-break that, should move down. And stops gonna be up here or here. On the top of the range. For 3 pip stops. Can we re-break the lows again and move down heavy? All right, gang, locked in. All right, locked in. Can we move down now? Goldie, what you wanna do? Goldie. Too many people are waiting for the sells here today. Let's see if we're gonna move down. Man, still reacting on the support here. The buyer is still in the market chat, okay? So be aware. The market's still in the market. The buyer is still in the market. They're still pushing the price up. But yeah, this is gonna be a good setup here. Once you re-break once again the low, yeah, we might see some drops. Come on, can we re-break the lows now? All right, we about to be activated here, gang. All right, I'm activated on sells here. Can we push heavy now? Stop loss is gonna be up here on the price. And yeah, let's see. All right, we're moving. We are moving and grooving. Mm. I got sleep here. Let's see your chat if you're gonna move today. Move down. Should move down here on price, especially on the 30. So re-break this, we might. Oh damn. Reactions again. We react. Ugh. Reacted on price. Yeah, I'm on sales. I'm on sales. I'm on sales. Can we move down? We need closure below on the 15. We need closure on the 15. How many pips is that re-break of the lows there? Oh, 12 pips. Yeah, might move the stops to break even. Once you re-break again the lows. Come on, gold. Come on. I got slip on the price here. Damn. Got slip on the price. All right, can we push through? Can we re-break? Can we re-break the lows again? Can we re-break the lows again? Who's in the cells too, chat? Let me know in the chat who's in the cells. Who's in the cells? Give me a second. Sorry, I'm muted, chat. So I said that if this candle keep pushing, I might manage the trade. I might close the trade, but let's see. The 30 is playing around here. The 15 is playing too. So, man. We need to survive on this early candle. If this early candle stuck here on the range, and then on 1 15 minutes candle go back in the range, close below, yeah, that's gonna be the melt. We need to survive on this early candle. Otherwise, it might push up. We are in drawdown here. Drawdown. 30 pips and drawdown. Drawdown. All right, 15 minutes candle close, back in the range. Now we're gonna push up here. We're not looking good here, chat. We're not looking good. We might hit the stops and then move down here. All right. And yeah, we might hit the stops now. Damn, gold. Gold is playing. Gold is playing, chat. It's ranging. If I move my stops a little bit higher here, it's 60 pip stops. It's big, you know. But yeah, we might re-break this high. I'm gonna move a little bit here. I'm gonna move the stops, 60 pip stops here. Yeah. Damn, gold. Let's see. I'm not gonna add pineapple here, chat. No pineapples for me. I'm gonna wait here. Let's see what will happen here. We're stuck in the range. We're just ranging here around some price. We might see some volume to drop. But let's see. We need to survive in this early candle. Buyers still in the market. Holy. Draw down, chat. What's up, 45 viewers? Yep. How you guys doing? Make sure drop some likes and subscribe to the channel. You're watching me trading drawdown right now. You guys are watching the drawdown. Watching us draw down. 11 minutes for candle to close. If this candle close bearish, back in the range like this, yeah, I might uh, put the stops on the rebreak of the high, and that's it. But right now, we need to wait if this candle might react or no. Gold is playing chess. You can see rebreak the highs, liquidity grabs on the lows, highs again. Maybe the next early is the decision making. Might come down because the 4-hour close bearish. So yeah, 10 minutes. We need to survive on this early candle, otherwise we might see some. Oh, we're pushing down now, chat. If you got some pineapples at the top, you are in profit right now. Right? You are in profit right now, chat. If you got some pineapples at the top. And yeah, drawdown is part of a game. You just need to be, you just need to trust the process. You just need to trust your trade. And then, yeah. All right. We are going to entry point. If you guys don't like the trade, you can go out of the trade here, okay? So yeah, if you don't like the trade, chat, just close the trade and call it a day. Man, if you guys add pineapples at the top, you are in profit right now, I'd say. You are 44 pips in profit. All right, chat. We are moving. Can you re-break the lows here? If this candle re-break the low, we will see some move. We're going to see some pops going down. We are at break even. If you don't like the trade, close the trade right now. Can we move down? Goldie, can I see some chops? Can I see some chat? Do some gold should move. Can I see some Goldie? What do you want, Goldie? I know you want to push down, Gold. Don't be shy. Come on, Goldie. Can we see some? It's a clean traffic going down here. It's a clean traffic. This candle should fill the range, right? The next candle should fill the range here. Minimum. Them reacting on the support again. Don't want to push down, Gold. Why you don't want to push down? You guys still on the trade? You didn't close the trade, chat? I told you, if you guys don't like the trade, you can close, all right? On the break-even point. We're still on sales here. Or probably some of you guys take profit already. 7 minutes for candle to close. If this candle close bearish, yeah, I'm gonna move my stops here on the high. Gold. Man, you should push down gold. Goldie should push down heavy. I don't know why he's not pushing down. 6 minutes. Can we close below? This candle close below, man. That would be nice. That would be nice. 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 Doji again. At the 5 minutes stopping support, react. Look at this 5 ugly candle. Still pushing up. Damn, gold. All right. We might close bullish again. The 5 is pushing up here. Crazy. 15 minute doesn't look good. Ik dacht. 5 is consolidating. Damn, gold. Gold doesn't want to push down. You only trade gold? Yeah, I only trade gold. Only gold, yep. I got out of the BE. Yeah, congrats. Congrats, bro. I told you, gang, you know, if you don't like the trade, yeah, you can go out of the break even here. And we go to break even. So, yeah, but, you know, need to follow the play. You need to follow the plan today. So, it's either stops it or take profit today. Oh, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour should, man, this 1 hour, once you re-break the previous candle low on the 1, yeah, we should push down on the 1. The 4-hour candle too. Right? The 4-hour candles here looks good. I don't know where we can, you know, probably push down or top wick and then push down. Let's see. The lower time frame is consolidating here. 15 and 5. Mm-hmm. 2 minutes. Still stuck in the range. It's going up. Yeah, probably it's going up. Gold, yeah. Yeah, probably. Gold should move up. Gold should move up. Damn, 15 and 5. Holy smokes. They are playing. They are playing. Yeah, bigger corrections. Any closure below here, it's good. Because you have a previous structure here in price. So any closure below, it's good to push down. Man. It's all about probabilities. Right? We anticipate that this re-break of the low should move down, but didn't push through. I see, how many pips I see? 8 pips in profit because of the slippage. I didn't manage. It's okay. All right, for a close, Doji, man. Can you look at that? We might see no good. On the 4 hours, no good. Damn. For a close, no good, chat. Gonna put the stops here, 67. Like 67 pips. On the re-break, the high 4. That's the stops. It's a no good. Damn, that's the 4 hour. As you can see, the 4 hour. I don't know if we're gonna push the. Look at this 4 hour ugly candle, man. It's like teen sticky man. Oh. It's like a teen sticky man. The volume is kind of slow now. Let's see. Wow, 48 viewers. 48 viewers right now. Re-break of the high. Man, we might see some push. And it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. No good. All right, we're coming up to stop loss. Why you take trade inside the range? I didn't take trade inside the range. I take the trades on the re-break of the low as an impulse trade on the 30 and 15. And the 30 should move down. As you can see, it's really clean traffic to move down. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is, you know. It is what it is. Goldie's Goldie in. Don't want to push. Grabbing orders to the top, grabbing orders to the downside. And too many liquidity grabs now. Any close above, any close below should move down. Should see some directions. Damn, we're stuck in the drawdown, chat. Can you look at that? Can you look at that? For our re-break, man, we're out. If the 4-hour re-break that, man, we're out. We might see stops. Stops. Oh no. We're coming back the range. Okay, can we push through? Goldie. Goldie, 40 viewers are watching. All right, 40 viewers are watching Goldie. Can you give it that to me? Chat, make sure you like the stream. Can I see 30 likes in the stream now, chat? Can I see 30 likes in the stream? Chat, can you see 30 likes in the stream? Push now, gold. Once we tap support again on 4230, let's see if we're gonna react. If we're gonna react, I might close the trade there. And yeah, weak fill incoming in 4 hour time frame here, but we need closure below the range here. We need closure below. Once we see close below the range, man, this is gonna be a nice trade to move down heavy. Let's see if we're gonna react here on price on 4230. If we're gonna react, we might close the trade. We might range here on price, and I don't know. We need closure below. And once you re-break the 1 hour lows, yeah, we see some moves to push down here because this has no bottom wick too. So yeah, let's see. We need volume. Probably we need Sticky Man today, chat. I'm gonna draw Sticky Man today. Sticky Man. Sticky Man, we need volume. Right, Sticky Man has a power. To hold the trade and push down. Sticky Man, can you push? Damn, Sticky Man, you don't like to push. It's really hard here, chat. Sitting into drawdown, man, that was not good. Sitting into drawdown. We need close below in 4 minutes. We need to close below. We need close below, sure. Mm-hmm. 3 minutes. Can we close below? All right, can we push? All right, chat, we're pushing. Again, if you don't like the trade, you can go out here at break even, okay? This is the second time, chat. If you don't like the trade, okay, go out here at break even. If it closes like that will be the end of the next scan, depending on how it opens, but slightly above the hitting closure below. Yeah, its closure below is really good. All right, we see reactions on the support again. 4230. I didn't close at break even yet. Still have 2 minutes. 2 minutes for candle to close. The gold don't want to push, chat. We don't wanna push. Probably may close no bottom wick. If we close no bottom wick, I'm gonna close the trade. Volume, we're re-breaking the lows now. We are re-breaking the lows, gang. Okay, we re-breaking the lows. Can we push through? Can we push? I want to see heavy push right now. 1 minute, we might close below. Chat, we might close below, chat. We are closing below. Damn. No bottom wick. No bottom. 40 seconds. Can we close below? It's really good. Took the sales down on London Open for our bottom wick. Crazy volume. Oh, nice. W Eric. W Eric. Didn't close below. Say, yeah. It close in this 5. Let's see. Re-break the lows there. We might see some drops. Re-break this low. Right. Can we push heavy? Alright, chat. We're pushing. Come on, push. Push more a little bit. Push more. All right, closing half of the position here, gang. Moving stops to break even. Okay, I just closed half. I didn't move my stops to breaking. Once you re-break the lows here. Once you re-break the low, I'm gonna move my stops to breaking. No top wick here. So yeah. Once you re-break again, can we re-break that? I just manage my risk. No, I close up. You activated on the re-break of the low, Eric. Damn. You activated on the re-break of the low, huh? It's clean traffic. We need volume. We have volume. The 1 hour re-break too. We should see some pops here. So yeah, but I manage my risk. I manage the risk there, so it's okay. We manage and closing half to. I need to move my stops to break even. I'm still on the trade. Damn. Very bad price actions. Yeah. Very bad price action today. But that's the push. Man, we didn't push through. So the stop should be up here on price now. on the high there. Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, the stop should be fine there. Wow, shout out to 50 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Welcome to the YouTube live stream. Make sure you drop some likes and subs to the channel too. Like the stream, subs to the channel. And if you guys wanna follow me on IG for more trading content, follow the IG. It's gonna come down heavy, yeah. Man. I hope, it's still on the trade, so should come down heavy. Wow, 52 viewers right now. I hope should come down heavy. Look at this 5-minute candle, bro. 5 minutes. Hey. Show the trade. Yeah, this is the trade. Yeah. I close half there. You're happy? I show you the trade already. I'm not playing no games here, gang. So if I take trade, I'm gonna take trade. We might see some push up. 1%. Wow, thank you, gang. Make sure you drop some likes your chat. Drop some likes, subs to the channel. Man, 50 viewers right now. We're peaking 50 viewers. Thank you, gang, for supporting to the channel. Four two two four. If TV is going down, yeah, I mean, I can TP here right now if I want. Goldie doesn't want to push because no candle closed below the range. That's why. Right, chat? That's why we start to hover around here because there's no candle close below, as you can see. Right, this candle didn't close below, just re-breaking the lows. That's why reacting, grabbing liquidity grab there. In 8 minutes here, once this candle close below, yeah, we might see. I close at 12 pips. I close half at 12 pips. Or 10, yeah, 12. But once you re-break this, we might see some push. The push. The push. The push. Come on, 5. So no closure here on 5, as you can see. Once this candle close below, probably 5 minutes candle, yeah. Yeah, we might see some push. Let's see. The push, yes. When the push is pushing, yeah, we'll see some push. Damn, that's why I don't like the sell stop, because there's slippage. Right, there's slippage. There is a slippage. All right, 5 is pushing. 5 is closing below. That was nice if the 5 closed below. Look at that, chat, how we stay composed on the drawdown, right? Stay composed, man. Stay composed. 5 minutes for the 30 minutes closure. And 30 minutes closure looks clean too. To go down. So yeah, let's see what will happen here. There's no closure in the 5 again. Reacts. Yeah, man. We need closure in the 5 here. I'd say no closure. No good. Yeah, look at that. No closure. Damn. You still in the trade, bro, Philip? Who's still on sales here, chat? Let me know. Drop it in the chat. Who's still on sales here? Who's still on sales here? Oh, damn. We're re-breaking the lows. Holy, oh. I might close full right here, chat. 23 pips. Damn, that was volume. Oh, volume. Damn. Holy smokes. That's the volume that I'm talking about here, chat. Holy. Can you look at that? Close full. 22 pips. Can you look at that? Gang, can you look at that, chat? Look at that. Ooh. Sheesh. Holy. Volume is volume in now. Wow. Oh. Oh. Damn, it's dropping. Oh. Oh. Damn, bro. I got 900, almost 1K bands today. Can you look at that, chat? Right? Now, I'm gonna put 22 pips in profit here. Yeah, 22 pips. Yeah, I may move a lot. Move 54 pips. Holy. Damn. W's in the chat. W's in the chat, my friends. Can you look at that? .9%. It's a 15, yeah, impulse. I'd say impulse breaking previous candle. It's impulse sales here. Nah. On this, I got some sales only, bro. So yeah, man, it is what it is. Selling, I like selling. What time we took the trade? Um, 12:30. We got some swing today, chat. We sit into drawdown, stay composed, man. W, chat. That's the reward today. That's the reward that we talking about here. We know playing games. Damn, congratulations everybody. Right? Congratulations everybody. If you got the trades, man, W's in the chat. Can you spam some W's in the chat here? I want to see spam some dubs in the chat. Spam some W. My friends, spam some dubs. I'm gonna make some stories today, chat. Spam some dubs, please. Cells plus 22 pips. Holy, still melting here. We are still melting, gang. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. Spam some dubs. Chat, man. We are 50 viewers early in the live stream. Right now, we're 35. They're dipping off after the trade. And then they're not dropping some likes too. They're not subscribing to the channel too. Holy, but W chat, W gang. Yeah. I had nothing to say, but W's in the chat. All right, gang. That's the trade, chat. 91 wins now. Holy, we're 91 wins. Right? We stay composed. We stay relaxed on the drawdown. That's the idea every single day, every single trade. You don't need to panic, you know. You need to just trust the process, trust your trade. All right, so yeah, right now, chat, I'm gonna call it a stream. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow to end the week strong. And yeah, man, Love and wisdom to you all, chat, and drop some W's in the chat. And I'm out here, gang. Peace and love, everybody. See you guys tomorrow.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pledge, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible.